Hey guys, it's Will from Chronic Cycles, and today I'm going to be doing a little update or bike check. So I'm going to start off with the back. I got some gold Alienation 440 wheels with stock hubs and a Fit 230 tire. I forget what model it is, but it's a really nice tire. I like riding it. I got a stock KMC chain, a Mutiny Bikes 24 tooth black sprocket, two Fit Flows, the stock black, and some Fit PC composite pedals, also in black. I got the E-Clout one-piece seat, really nice, and got a little on my frame. I got a built-in little seat post clamp. I took the cover off. It came with the gray cover, but it got soaked in the rain, so I had to take it off. Up here, I got some ODI long necks. The bar ends are kind of messed up, but that's all good. Those look like S&M because I put the sticker there, but they're really fit stock bars. And that goes to a Shadow Conspiracy anodized purple stem, and that goes to some Sabrosa forks that are painted or powder coated, and another Alienation 440 gold rim and the same stock hub. And for my frame, I got the Chronic Cycles 2011 smaller head tube gusset and micro dropouts back there, so they're really small. And yeah, that's my bike. So hope you guys like this, and I'll see you in the next video or edit or whatever. Peace.
Sit back, relax, get up out the path, if not that.